It's Tim from iRepair here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak from iOS 12 to 14.5.1. I'm going to leave a link to the site in the description. You simply go to the site called Checkra1n, you click get the beta now, and you download it. This is what comes up. So for this example, I'm going to be using an iPhone 6 because it's running on 12.5.5 and it is compatible. So let's just get into recovery mode. By the way, for the sake of discussion, did y'all know that iOS 15 is now required? So older devices actually have a preferable reason to exist now. Anyhow, side button, home button. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there you go. But yeah, iOS 15, I read an article that Apple is forcing everyone to update to iOS 15 now. And one main reason for this is because there is no jailbreak for iOS 15. That's my theory anyways. And it makes sense, right? Why else would they force people? Why would they care that much about their software? They just don't want people tampering with it. So if you have an older device, don't get rid of it. Jailbreak it. That has value. Done. Okay, it says done. I don't see Checkra1n here. There it is, it popped up. Cydia. Install Cydia. Downloading base system. But I'm making this video because I like Checkra1n. I don't see much jailbreak systems like this now. Everything wants you to go directly from the phone. They don't want computer involved nowadays, but that's very difficult to do. And I've tried out a lot of Dino Zamba's videos. He's a great YouTuber, but a lot of the links that he puts in his videos, they don't actually work. And it's not any fault of his own. It's just having a computer involved makes the process simpler. And we have Cydia installed. But yeah, they've been updating this for the past 2 years. And I like how consistent they are with it. I like how simple the site is, how easy it is to use. Target packages configured multiple times. There it is. That's how you jailbreak your iOS 12 to 14.5.5 device. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.